I'm back! Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. For those of you that are new here and were scared by that intro, hello, my name is Andrea and hope you stick around, check out some other videos, you know the drill. So I apologize for not uploading, but I did have some issues with my eyes. I don't know if I should talk about it because it's like... But I just had a mild eye infection and I couldn't wear makeup at all, so it wasn't the best of situations. I couldn't actually shoot new pictures and film videos, but I'm back and for today I don't know why I'm doing the whole it's a surprise thingy, because I'm sure you already seen the title of this video when you clicked on it. So but today I have a Punkrave unboxing and review for you guys, and in here I have a whole outfit. So I have a top and I also have a skirt. And before I unbox them, I just wanted to show you what they look like on the website. So today I will be reviewing the Gothic wine red embroidered lace fishtail skirt, gosh that's a mouthful, and the Victorian Gothic black and red lace coat. I'm going to show you guys what they look like worn by the models on Punkrave Australia's website. This is the skirt and to me it looks like a mermaid tail type of skirt. With the lace at the bottom opening up nicely when the model walks. Cannot wait to actually open it up and see what it actually looks like in real life. I got the skirt in a size FS based on the size specification you find on the global size chart. I always seem to talk about this global size chart when I do my Punkrave reviews, and I never actually showed you guys where you can find it. If you click on the FAQ tab for every item, you go to where do I find my size chart and click it. There's a link here to the size chart. So here it is. So measure yourself and compare your measurements to that size chart. It always has worked for me, so I believe you'll have no issue when picking up your size. As for the jacket, I also got it in a size FS using the same method. This jacket truly looks marvelous on the website. It has so many details. I'm truly giddy and cannot wait to open it up. So you might ask, what are you waiting for? Just shut your damn mouth and open the package. But before I do that, I also have one more topic I need to cover. As you all know, I live in Romania and Punkrave is in Australia, and because of that, because they don't come from within the EU, I almost always need to go and pick them up from the customs office. So please keep in mind that customs do apply when you order something from Punkrave Australia, but talking from experience, you almost never pay more than a couple of coins to get your items. Of course, this depends heavily on how much the actual item costs. So if, for example, the item costs like $30, you pay less than for an item that costs $200, for example. I'm not sure if that's the case for each and every country, so if you've never purchased something from Australia or China or the US or whatever, if you live in Europe, just please check it out and make sure what kind of taxes, what kind of custom taxes apply in your country. Regarding shipping, I got the items in about 10 days since they shipped, and that's not a lot at all. Whenever I purchase something from China, for example, it takes like 4 to 5 weeks to get here. But that has never happened with Punkrave. I've never had any types of issue with shipping, but if you do, I suggest you contact customer service because they've been very helpful for me, and not to mention the sweetest people I've always had the pleasure of talking with, and I'm sure they'll be very helpful for you too. Oh, and one more thing. Whenever you visit Punkrave, there's like a messenger bar at the bottom of the page, and you can definitely contact them there if you have any question before making your purchase. I hate summer. Whew. Okay, so I believe it's time to open this up. So this is what your clothing comes in. And as you can see inside, these are the items and bubble wrap. I'll just take that out. There we are. As always, as you can see, they are very careful when it comes to your clothing. They're wrapped 2 to 3 times, so no harm comes to them during shipping. And I will just grab my scissors over here and carefully open this baby up. Hope I don't damage anything. Actually, I'm always so scared when opening up packages, just because I don't want to do any kind of damage with my scissors. Okay. Oh, that was fairly easy actually. So this was the bubble wrap, and they come in the usual Fun Crave bags. I will just take them out. Okay, there we are. Is this a good thumbnail? No, it's not. Okay. This is the first one I grabbed, and I don't know what this is, but from the looks of it, I think this is the skirt. So I will open this one first. Okay. Let's see. I'm so excited. If I can open it up, actually. There we are. Okay, let me just pull out the skirt. Ooh. It's actually really red, but it's kind of, do you see the way it shifts in the light? Oh my, okay. This is what it looks like. I will also be inserting little detail shots so you can really see it up close if you cannot see like the details here. There are a lot of details, and yeah, I think it's best for you if you see like really detailed shots of the skirt rather than me just holding it up like that. Okay, so right off the bat, I really like the reflection of red it has. You can see it right there when I shift it in the light. I do believe it will really pop in the sunlight. The front is decorated with a wonderful lace embroidered piece, while the back has an awesome corset with lacing. I believe that's very helpful in case you want to cinch it up more in order for it to be more form-fitting, I guess. The bottom features a very soft lace that I'm sure will look gorgeous when walking, just as we saw on the website. Something that I didn't actually notice on the website, and this is my fault completely, but the skirt feature like these little jewels that dangle. You can see them right here, and it's such a gorgeous detail because I imagine them like making little sounds when you walk, and I think that's really nice actually. I got this in a size FS. I haven't worn it yet, but it looks fairly big. I'm sure that if you pull this in, like I did now, I'm sure that will, you know, make the skirt more form-fitting, as I said. So that's a great detail. I cannot wait to actually wear it. It looks so beautiful. From the fabric to the details, it's gorgeous. And I did not mention this, but at the end of the video, I will do full body shots of both the jacket and the skirt so you can see what they actually look like when they're worn. Okay, I think we can move on to the jacket. Let's open it up. Whew. Breathe. Okay, okay. Ow. I'm sorry. I'm just... Look at this. Hold on a second. I'm sorry, but this is the prettiest thing I have ever seen. Like, I am actually speechless. Like, oh my god, this is so... This is so pretty, you guys. I can't, like, I don't even know what I should start with, what I should talk about first, because there are so many details, and the fabric feels like it's velvet, but it also has lace, and it's so soft, and it feels so luxurious. The jacket is to die for, as I was expecting. The sleeves are made out of this flocking lace spliced with velveteen fabric, and it feels so soft to the touch. I mean, I cannot wait to actually try it on because it feels so soft. The collar clasp is such a nice fine detail, and it truly makes me think of Victorian capes, if that makes sense, while the back also features a corset type lacing like the skirt did, but the drawstrings have this two wonderful pendants as decoration. I don't know if you heard them throughout the video, but they just make this clinging noise and it's so wonderful. But the detail that I think I loved most is the duckbill clasps on the side. As you can see, it also has lace trimming here around the bust area and also around the neck. The drawstrings in the back are also made out of this velveteen like a fabric. The fabric that's below the velveteen lace is also red. You can actually see it a bit here. Even the zipper is like so intricate, and oh my god, I cannot wait to actually wear it. I'm sure I've said this 100 times, but I cannot wait to actually wear it and see what it looks like. I think the size FS was a good choice, and I'm sure it would look wonderful with the skirt. So I should stop talking now and let's go have a look at those body shots. Okay guys, so that was it for today's video. A big thank you goes out to Punkrave Australia for sending over these items. They look wonderful. I'm really happy with them and I highly recommend you guys check those out. And thank you for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And I want to personally thank everyone for helping me reach 1,000 subscribers. I couldn't be happier. Thank you so much. And I will make sure to put out more videos that you guys will enjoy. And yeah, that's about it. See you all in my next video. Bye.